Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe and like. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna unbox the ride-on vehicle car for our toddler, and yeah, yay, Johnson car is here. It's arrived. We're unboxing it. You excited, Nene?
Yep.
Johnson will not drive the car no more.
Yep.
He's gonna drive his own car. Honey, can you move over there a little bit? Yay! We're unboxing it. He's gonna love this one. Whoops. Need help? Heavy? Wow. Johnson's gonna love it. I think this one is easy to install, right? Just maybe just the wheels. That's is it the Bentley. Ta-da! So here guys, we're doing the wheels first. Is that on this way to lock or this way?
On the right is locked.
I think we did a good job. You can check now. Can you check if it's good? It's good, Mama? Right? Alright? Okay. I'm putting the logo. Perfect. Perfect. Next one is we do the connection. Okay. So guys, we just finished putting those wheels. Now we're gonna do the connection. That is gonna do the connection. So we're done doing this one, guys. That is gonna put the one. Steering wheel. And the windshield. The windshield is over there. My god, it's so nice now. Perfect. Johnson's gonna love it. The windshield. Eh. Okay. So what is next? Oh, the chair.
The on the side.
We're almost done, guys. Just doing the chair right now. Almost done.
Okay.
Guys, Johnson is awake now. He's so happy to see it. He's so excited to use it, guys. You wanna go in? No? Johnson, what do you say to daddy? Thank you, daddy. Okay, go inside. Guys, this is so cool. Look, open it, honey, open it, honey. See? Wow, so cool. Okay, baby, go inside. You try it.
Go inside.
Yay. Go inside. Yeah, see? Look. It's your new car, baby. Thank you, daddy. Thank you, daddy. Daddy love you a lot. No?
Wait on. Go on.
It's gonna turn.
And sell.
So guys, this is it now. We just finished installing everything. It's so cute. That is it, look. Wow, love it. Love it. I'm checking it out, baby. Johnson. Are you okay? Johnson. No, baby. Johnson! No, baby. Share this, share. Huh? No, baby.
Mommy.
What, Jesse? I'm not the mommy?
Yeah. You have sister for baby.
Oh, I'm his sister. Oh no, careful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like.